Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a stand-up fall decor piece with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now this piece is going to come out beautiful, and it's also going to be farmhouse. I'm so excited. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called What Would You Make? And the host of this collab is Rustic and Lace DIY and Divine Design. Now they do have a guest host this month, and it's called Crafting My Best Life with Lisa. And I'm so excited about this video today. Let's get started, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so I am going to start by painting both these pieces here. And so we got to paint both pieces, and I'm doing the front and the back, and then after it's all dry, I'll be right back. I do want this pumpkin to stand up. So we're gonna put some hot glue here, and then I realized very quickly that little pine cone that I put there is still a little bit too big. So I had to go and get some yellow beads to put front and back just to hold that pumpkin up and make sure we give it a little bit of support. And we're decorating this for the fall, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the embellishing. So I'll see you at the end of the video. So I did find this black ornament leaf that I got from the Dollar Tree in my stash. So I thought that would be really nice to place right here on the pumpkin. And then we're gonna go ahead and embellish the top of that pumpkin with a bow. So I think that this decor piece came out absolutely gorgeous, guys. I embellished the bow, and look how beautiful that looks. Very rustic. We kept the leaves on the bottom and the pine cone, and I am loving it. So I do want to thank the host for this collaboration. And so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.